Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Chantel here. Thank you for joining today. You like what you see? Please do well to subscribe. Don't also forget to turn on the notification bell icon, so whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Thank you so much. To another fashion rose. This is for the movie A Sunday Affair. It's already live on Netflix from the stables of Ebony Life Studios, directed by Walter Taylor. You already know that your girl has to do a fashion rose of the premiere because of the theme, which I am in sync with. I had to represent in my own way. Valentine Pyjamas. That was the theme of the premiere that held in Lagos a few days back. I don't think there's a need for me to define what the theme means. Valentine Pyjamas. The pyjamas you will wear on Valentine's Day. As simple as that. I was blown away by how some guests showed up. Let me just let you all know my thoughts on the looks. Possibly praise or roast, whichever comes first. The first person on my list is Bisola. Bisola showed up in this satin and lace co-ord set by Hugh RTW. She looks really nice. It's a combination of burgundy and white, which I think goes. She paired it with this white mule that looks really nice. I really like the Valentine color, aka love, that she's working with. Red. I love the lace detailing on it. It gives it that sexiness that it deserves. I love the low neckline. I love her hair. Makeup is very simple, which is not taking away from the look. I'm here for that. Accessorizing as well, very dainty and minimal. For this look, I am going to rate Bisola a 7 out of 10. Next on my list is the boss herself, Abudu. She looked so good in this 3-piece silk set by Banke Kuku. He has a bustier corset top, a short and a long line duster jacket, all in satin fabric. The fabric is so beautiful. I'm here for the floral detailing on it. I love the velvet trim on the shorts and on the sleeves of the jacket. She also went up 3 notches and made a bag out of the fabric. Yo, if that isn't goals, I don't know what else is. Her makeup looks so good. It was done by BM Pro, and her hair was styled in this pixie cut by Adefunke. She's giving money, she's giving I'm the boss, she's giving everything and more in this piece. Very sultry, very Valentine appropriate. Is it a pajamas? No, but I think that it's still in tune with the theme. Not everybody wears pajamas, so I can't be mad at that. I really love her look though. I love that it's very wearable yet very loungy, very comfy. Accessorizing was done with these opaque tights, not so opaque, maybe a denier 120 or something, or 80, and a strappy block heel sandal with pom-pom details. So sophisticated. I love that the inner part of the jacket is lined with a plain fabric, so it gives that perfect contrast. If it was in same floral fabric or floral design, it would have been too much, so that just kept everything very minimal, and I'm here for it. For this look, I am going to rate her a good 8 out of 10. She looked so good. Next person is my Akanchawa baddie, the one and only Lilly Afe. She showed up in this outfit by Oralugo. It's a 2-piece in orange plain fabric. I think this is satin fabric, not silk. Is this stretchable satin fabric? The top is in plain orange fabric with black piping around the neckline, and on the pocket it has the kimono tie detail with tassel belt, and the bottom is patterned with zebra looking colorful details on it. She paired it with a black Jacquemus bag and matching sandals. Well put together. Hair and makeup is giving. I'm going to rate Lilly Afe a 7 out of 10 for this. Inidima Okojie is the next belle on my list, and she showed up looking very luxurious. I love the blush pink co-ord set. This is a silk co-ord set from Bloom by FBD. It has feather trim on the pants. It's cropped with a matching bralette underneath. For accessorizing, she kept it very in tune with the color hue. Fuchsia pink purse by Amina Mwadi, and her poms, I'm guessing this is Jimmy Choo. Her spiral earrings look so good. It tied so well with the look. I love her glasses as well. She kept her hair styled in a simple bun. The soft pink color is giving sexy, it's giving Valentine, and it's a pajama. She's definitely one of my best dressed. I am going to rate her an 8.5 out of 10 for this. Dakore. She showed up in this gunmetal floor-length dress paired with this floral kimono by Ejiro Amostafiri. She was styled by Yolanda Okereke. Her hair, she opted for a blonde pixie cut wig. Makeup is giving. Is she in tune with the theme? Nah, but she's still giving sultry, she's giving sexy, she's giving good looking. I am going to rate her a 6 out of 10 for this look. The main character in the movie, Oris Erhuero, she showed up in a baroque print kimono that has a hoodie and tie belt detail, paired with this satin wide leg pants and a t-shirt underneath. Accessorizing was done with these layered necklaces. Outfit and jewelry were provided by Oris Erhuero Limited. I think he looks dapper. He looks very zaddy-ish. He's giving off that vibe. I'm going to rate him a 7 out of 10 for this look. Eku Edewor decided to give us hot in her sultry, sexy Valentine's Day look. Not a pajamas, but there are some people that don't sleep with pajamas, so she gave us the Valentine part of it. Outfit is courtesy Aiyeola. It's a red cord set with lace detailing. Consists of the floor-length skirt and bralette. I love her loose wave hairstyle. For accessorizing, she kept it very minimal in black purse and black sandals. I think she looks super amazing. She looked so beautiful. Definitely one of my best dresses. I am going to rate Eku an 8.5 out of 10 for this. If you got it, flaunt it, baby. The next person is Sharon Ooja, and she gave us sexy as well in red. The caption of her post was, theme said wear your pajamas, or what if you sleep sexy? I'm sure you do. She was styled by Damola. Look consists of this long robe in silk fabric. It has some lace detailing. Underneath, she has sheer corset beaded around the bust area. On the bottom part of the look is this lace sheer skirt with a side slit. Accessorizing was done with gold belly vest sandals, and I think she looks amazing. Hair is beautiful. Hair was done by Adefunke, makeup by Beyonce. Very sultry, very Valentine in tune. Not a pajamas like I mentioned, but she looks really good. I'm going to rate her an 8 out of 10 for. And Dara, the host on the red carpet, came glammed up in Mamadi Couture. She wore a red lace robe with thigh detail. Very simple and very sultry and very Valentine in tune. Makeup by TMT by Lainka was giving everything it was supposed to give. It has the stones and it's giving everything Valentine. Footwear of choice is the transparent mule. She looks well put together. She looks nice. I love her wavy hair. I am going to rate her a 7.5 out of 10 for this. Toyin Abraham is next on my list. She showed up in this white coat set by House of Viva. It's a white satin coat with feather trimmings on the sleeve and also the hem of the pants. For accessorizing, she opted for this brown hat and matching handbag. Footwear of choice is a clear mule. Makeup looks really nice. Hair is giving as well. Makeup was done by Bernard's Magic and she was styled by Gabriel Anthony. I like everything about this look but the hat. I don't think it was needed. So I am going to rate her a 7 out of 10 for this. Ekubo is giving Zaddy vibes in this look by, it's a red tie detail kimono with contrast of black on the lapel and cuffs. Underneath, he has on a button-down satin shirt with matching straight leg pants. Footwear of choice is this slipper with 4/4 detailing. Accessorizing was done with this mirror frame glasses, silver neck choker, matching bangle, a watch, a ring, and a walking stick. I think he looks well put together, very in tune with the theme. I'm here for this look. I will rate him an 8 out of 10 for how well he pulled this look. The next person is the Godfather himself, RMD, styled by Swanky Jerry in this luxurious fit by Deji and collar. I love the texture of the fabric and also the stitching on the lapel. Looks nice. He accessorized with this lapel chain. The jacket also has a satin belt to give it that kimono vibe, to give it the pajama look. I like the flared out pants underneath as well. Footwear of choice is a Gucci mule. I love his Louis Vuitton glasses. This look is giving riches. It's giving wealth. To complete the Godfatherism, the Godfather look, he is holding a cigar. I'm going to rate him a 9 out of 10. For this look. Love it. I love the colorway. Everything about it is really nice. Etim Effiong is the next person on my list. He showed up in a fit by 1407. This is a pink kimono with pockets on both sides and matching pants. He kept it casual with white sneakers and his bare chest, showing us that he has abs. Okay, no problem. This look, I would say, it's not my favorite of Etim Effiong. I think the fabric of this is too stiff. It's not flowy compared to what you get with satin or silk fabric. There's that connotation of sexy and sophisticated and sensual attached to it, but this is not giving that. The length of it, I'm guessing, was too long, so he had it turned up. I'm going to rate him a 6 out of 10 for this. Taymesan is the next person. He showed up in Banke Kuku as well. This satin cord in green. I like the fact that he kept it monochrome with this matching green jacquemus purse. Anyone that knows Taymesan knows that he loves bags. I love the scarf, his sunglasses. He looks very, very well put together. I am going to rate Taymesan an 8 out of 10 for this. Nse Ikpe-Etim, also in Banke Kuku, she opted for a black and white cord set with matching jacket in organza. I love the play with fabric. Accessorizing, she opted for a black purse and brown mule. Her look transcended from being a pajamas to giving a fashion statement, and I'm here for it. Very modest, very well put together. I love the play with fabrics, like I mentioned. Her dainty earring and matching necklace. I am going to rate her a 7.5 out of 10. Sep Nimi Briggs in Savage by Fenty Pyjamas. This is in a black print. It's silk fabric. He paired it with this chunky sole footwear that has a silver detail on the top and black durag. Sunglasses, gold cuff earrings as well. I think this is really nice, very safe play. He just went on ahead to buy himself a pajama so that nobody will misunderstand his look. I'm going to rate Sep Nimi Briggs a 7 out of 10 for this look. Mimi Onalaja is the next person on my list, and she's wearing Viviara RTW. This is a navy blue cord set with red piping on the sleeves and the lapel of the jacket. Underneath that, you have a cow neck top with matching floret pants. Looks really nice against her skin tone. I love the silk fabric. I love the sleeve. Very oversized. It's giving comfy. It's giving relaxed. I love her hair. I love her jewelry choice. Makeup is giving. She went safe with her bag. I would have preferred if she opted for something brighter than black because she's already wearing navy blue. But notwithstanding, I think she looks well put together. I am going to rate Mimi Onalaja a 7 out of 10 for this. Samuel Perry, aka Brodda Shaggy, is the next person on my list, and he showed up in whatever he showed up, looking like a cameraman. I know that there are some people that sleep commando. I know that there are some people that don't have pajamas, but he would have tried. What's this? With his snake in the monkey shadow clothes. What is this? It clearly stated Valentine Pyjamas. What was all this? What's this with his glasses? So he doesn't even care. That's the funny part of the whole thing. You'll be like, Mauna Sabi. So I'm going to rate him a 3 out of 10. And that's just me being nice. Nse Ikpe-Etim is next on my list. She starred in the movie. One of the primary cast. This army green cord against her skin tone is beautiful. The fabric choice, amazing. The crisscross neckline, amazing. The cuff on the pants, beautiful. Her accessorizing, top notch. Makeup, everything is very sultry. I love her jewelry of choice, shoe and bag of choice. She opted for black to just keep it very minimal. The 4/4 detail on her mule added the right amount of zhuzh to this entire look. She's yet to give details on who made the outfit, but whoever did that did an amazing job. I am going to rate her 7 out of 10 for this look. Next person on my list is Segun Arinze. Nothing is working here. He just showed up in red and blue. At least he tried to even give Valentine color. So that's an extra mark for him. He opted for a red button-down shirt, blue denim, red sneakers with white stripes. Accessorizing was done with loads of bracelets, wooden bracelets, and a leather wristwatch. I will rate him a 4 out of 10 for this. The last person in this fashion roast is Ted Abudu, Antima Abudu's daughter. She's so pretty. She opted for this 3-piece cord set in different shades of blue. It consists of a crop top, a high-waisted pants, and a kimono jacket. A short kimono jacket, actually. Looks nice. Not my favorite favorite look of her, not my favorite look of the night. I love her shoe and bag though. I love the pop of color with the mule and the beaded clutch. I am going to rate her a 6 out of 10 for this. Moving over to my best and my worst dress category. Best dress for me is definitely going to be Inidima Okojie. Everything was A+. She brought fashion to the theme, the Valentine Pyjamas look. I love the relaxed feel of it. I love that she has some buttons open with the matching bralette underneath. I love her hair pulled back in a bun. Makeup is very simple. Accessorizing was on point. Definitely my best dressed female. For the night, a close second is actually Eku Edewor. If she opted for the pyjamas version of her look, I would have definitely given her best dress, but she didn't, so we have to go with Inidima. They both look awesome. Worst dressed female, I wouldn't say any female was the worst dressed, but the person's look I wasn't feeling the most is Abudu. It wasn't giving much, so for the purpose of this video, she has to fall under the category of worst dressed female. Best dressed male, definitely without a doubt, RMD. He looked so well put together. Swanky Jerry did an amazing job. Worst dressed male, obviously Brodda Shaggy. I don't know what he was thinking, not giving anything, was not in tune with the theme. He didn't even try. Nah. Let me know your worst dress and your best dress for usual in the comment section. Share this video, subscribe if you're yet to. Thank you so much for watching. I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.